Well, you say you know like farmers. Well, me not have no problem with that. No problem with that. Yeah, they not a problem with that neither. You say you know like farmers. Farmers always dirty. In a dirty clothes. Smell. We smell. Yeah, we smell bad from perspiration because we work all day in a bush. Burn this, I till the style, I do all kind of things. Smell an animal sometimes to see where you have to, hug up a goat and dress a goat and, dress a cow. Yeah, feed them, go in a pig pen, they feed the pig them rub up power, so we smell a pig, we sing the stench of pigs. A wise farmer lady once said, this wise farmer lady walked into the bank just after she come out of her pig pen. Somehow we know her, you're not gonna know her, but I'm not call her name. But, she walk in the PC bank in her water boot and thing just as she left out of the pig pen. People start cover hold them nose, people start this and people start that. And this and that. And she look around and see everybody a frown and this and that because she smell of the pig them. She said, well, people, that's the smell of money. You see me? So only not like farmers because of certain things. Now here, doctors and nurses, lawyers and teachers, judge, police, fireman. Now I go do this and make you get them wonderful things here to eat and bring to the family table when you can get to your street. And we alone bring this to the market. Especially small farmers. The big rich farmer them no farm nothing for the country. Them farm for overseas. Because overseas them look for their money from everything. So them no business with UNO as people. Them no business with UNO as a people. Them no business with UNO as UNO Jamaicans. Them no business with UNO. They farm for the money. Them no farm for the love of the people and farm for bring families together. Them farm for just money. That's money them care about. The big farmer them out there with the farm, they send everything go overseas. No business with UNO. So we the little farmers them, yeah, carry them nice stuff come put on a street side and down in the market so UNO can get them. But you understand say you don't like farmer. But no problem with that. I can't tell you which occupation for love. And I can't tell you which occupation for like. And I can't tell you which occupation for choose. You see me? But what I can tell you is this is the best occupation. None no better than this. You don't need a doctor, you don't need a lawyer, you don't need police every day. You see me? You don't need to see the doctor and visit the doctor every day. But you need we to put food on. You need we to put food on the table. Not even the Prime Minister. Not even, sorry, Mr. Andrew Holiness, but not even you know important. Like me, the farmer. Here, I'm not apologize neither. You know better. But anyways, farmers are the number one. You see, otherwise, the first man don't need a God. But you see, after God, you see me? After God and all of who follow God, yeah, we don't need we. So we are second best. You see me? God I number one best. I my best. Him come first. But you see after God, we don't need. We don't need the farmer. Because you hear me? Doctor now put food on the table and policeman now put food on the table. The policeman when they run down, you know, come out the yard and kill and kill you. Him now come there when bullets are fire. But free food always be there. We always prepare for you know. You see me? And put things out there for you know. You know, love we, they look a small farmer them. The big farmer them hasn't tell no them no business with you know. The big farmers them send for them things them go abroad, go feed fancy countries and this and that. You see me? But you know, for respect we, the little farmers, because are we in the market? Are we in the marketplace? Are we at the vendor them on the street side, park up a van or roadside, are we park up a little car roadside and I sell a little thing them. But I can't understand if you don't like farmers, because we, as you know say, we always dirty. And because we always have, you know, the style till the style. But are we keep on going? We provide the food when we buy at the restaurant, and we provide all of those things. Not really the big farmers. Because as I said, them gone international, them no business with the country. Yeah man, you have choice to pick whatever occupation you want. You see me? You have all choice, you have all reason to. But if you want stuff like this, you have to check we out. You see me? You have to check we out. Because here what? How we do them thing here? How we bring them thing here on the table when you don't want, you know? One nice bunch of planting, couple finger planting to make it planting porridge and them thing there. To make it chips and them thing there. You don't know you go. You see me? Now rub in on no face still, you know. And I rub in on no face still. That just so the thing set. You see me? When you want your favorite, right, plantains in the early morning, we the little small farmer them provide it. No doctor not carry that come on your table. No nurse, no teacher, no lawyer, no policeman, no fireman. Them not bring that come on your table. we, the farmers, bring that to the table. So what I say? Or you hear what I say? I don't know. You see me? But you see when time you say, you see when time you say, you know like farmers, you know feel like eat neither. You know feel like food. Especially nice things and these nice natural organic foods where I grow out here. Yeah? You see me? Yeah man. Yeah man. When you want one bunch of banana, don't come to it. Think imagine say you don't have it. But don't come to it. Because you don't like farmers. You know what I say? Because you don't like farmers. You know what I say? Alright, that's the thing there. You see me? Just remember, say we love we country. The little farmers them, yeah, the big farmers them, man, them, me not say, you know fi have respect for money. But it's when they love money, they're no business with nobody around them. So because of that now, everything I would ship things overseas if I had the opportunity. But me now go left out my people them. That's much me I say, cause more if you don't notice, the overseas people them demand the best of what the farmer them have, so I get the what left. You see me? The best of what them have to sell them now go carry come a market. The best of my things, me carry come a market. The things that I don't want, then turn in a farm and give animal them. But I only get me. You see it? This is the difference between we, the small farmers, and the big farmer them. The small farmers gives the country and gives the people in the market the best of our ability, the best of what we have, we get. What me no want, me no bring to the market. Me see have a pumpkin and it no look like it fit to me, no look right to me, me left it tired. Me chop up that and give pig or somebody can take it to me, I can go get animal or whatever the case may be. Or we stay there and go back to the soil. But you no get the best of me as a farmer, as a small farmer. But you see the big farmer, them the best, they use to make market overseas. Them send the best outside of the country. And you no get the what left. So tell me who no love.